going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Uncle Julian, long lost friend, almost 40. No wrinkles, no Botox, no lip injections. Perfect 10 out of 10. Anyway, today is a special day because I am going down south to play a show with my band Molotov Muchacho. And yes, indeed, I can't wait to get on the stage and melt some faces. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna be sure to include some footage of, the performance and everything. And yeah, man, let's have a good time. I'm about to jump on the parkway and go fast. Well, not that fast, because I don't want to get a ticket. Don't want to get a ticket. I don't like tickets. And besides, it's a 75-degree day. It's a Saturday. There's definitely going to be parkway traffic, and I just don't want anything bad to happen. Yeah. That out of the system. That felt great. God, this bike pulls. Power on this bike is friggin' crazy. Well, that was fun. I will see you guys when I get to the show. Bye. Oh man, traffic was a bitch. There's people cutting everyone off. Oh boy. But I'm about 8 minutes away from the place. Oh man, I'm so friggin' excited. I've never been down this south before. Well, here. I mean, I've been to Atlantic City. I was supposed to bear left onto 138. And I was visiting my brother. Man, I can't wait. I got 6 miles of just like straightaway, but like I don't know these roads and shit, and I don't know where the cops hide. Otherwise, I just gun it. But it's all good. It's all good. Happy days ahead of us. Happy times. I go on. It's about 12:23. I go on at 2 o'clock, and yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait. God, I'm so tempted. Tempted by the fruit of another. Maybe I'll do, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a jump. I don't know. And loop the fucking bike. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. Oh, wait, what am I? Oh, I'm in second. I'm in second. Man, highway cruising really makes me wish I had the friggin' did a wheelie. Did a wheelie. Nice. Yay. Nice power wheelie. That wasn't full throttle though. Like I said, I don't want to loop the fucking bike. It's too damn expensive. But that was fun. Alright, so we're here at the place. It's outside parking. So I had to find a piece of wood to park the beautiful BMW S1000. This'll do. It'll make a turd. Gorgeous bike. Then we got another bike over here. We got a nice Ninja
650, beautiful bike, beautiful. But yeah, first band's on, really fun. I'm gonna try to get some footage. So yeah, I'm here. The filthiest motherfucker. Ian Egloff, the bass player of Molotov Muchacho. He's a filthy fucking, I love him.
For the next grown-up that pinches his nipple. Here she is. You gotta be hard. Oh, you got him! You blew it! You blew it! Hot sauce for that man right there! Did he get you?
He got me so good.
I'll get you.
Man, that was a shit show. We couldn't hear anything on the stage, and we just botched all of our songs. It was so bad. Oh, Loud Boy. So yeah, the set, I mean, we had fun. Don't get me wrong, like I was so happy to be out there and play. It's been a while since I played a show. We had a set list of 10 songs. 10 songs in our set list. It was pretty good. Played a new song, and then I covered an old song from my old band. Oh, the Parkway. Yeah, no, I mean, happy ride on the Parkway. It was very congested. Went right into neutral. How the fuck did that happen? You saw that, right? That's not good. Whatever. Anyway, successful day. And now I got Buckethead tonight in Asbury Park. That's gonna be exciting. I'm going with my dad. It's gonna be our first concert together. Oh man, I can't wait. I hope he has earplugs, because it's going to be loud. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your support. Yeah, just like, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, whatever you want to do. Leave a comment, talk, hang out, whatever. All right? Bye, babies. Peace.